Ladies and gentlemen, let us hear from the one and only Ms. Raghavi Senthil Kumar, who is virtually ready to welcome the forum.
A very good morning, one and all. Hearty welcome to the Inclusive India Conclave 2020 by the Headway Foundation. iICON has been a monumental movement by the Headway Foundation. For the past 3 years, we've been organizing this. This is the third year that we're organizing on a web-based mode, considering the current plight. So the theme is going to be combating COVID and disability. To set the context here, yes, the Headway Foundation works for the empowerment of differently abled people on various modalities. And Inclusive India Conclave is one initiative by the Headway Foundation where every year we organize this on every themes, and every theme pertains to the diversity and inclusion of differently abled people in the society. On that note, this year, we're making it web-based so that people from all parts of the country can see this, and especially the need of the hour, combating COVID and disability has been our thought process, because we ourselves have been supporting various differently abled families from the start of this lockdown and all that. And there were so many issues that we've been seeing as part of differently abled people's lives, economically, socio-economically, psychologically. But yet, let me also tell you, lockdown is not new to any differently abled person. I think people will accept this. We've been used to lockdowns, doing certain things, work from home, things are not new to us, but yet there are many challenges prevailing. And so we wanted to actually get this theme, to various differently abled people, the families of differently abled people, the individuals and organizations empowering the differently abled people, and so on. So on that note, let's all sip a coffee, have some snack, and we'll all have a thorough 3 to 4 hours of learning, some diversity, inside this screen here. So I wholeheartedly thank the speakers of today, who is immediately consented when I approached them. First, Dr. Balakrishnan Velaya, the DIG Trichy Division. When I called him and said, he immediately consented, and hearty welcome to you, sir. And Mr. Sam Daniel, Chief Bureau of NDTV. He has also been, support to us in terms of telecasting our International Disability Day, first International Disability Day in NDTV. So he knows our work, and he's been of a support to us always. And we have Mr. C.K. Kumaravel, the pioneer of entrepreneurship, where he's going to throw so many views on entrepreneurship and employment and all that. And again, he has been a pillar of support to me and Headway. The first year of Inclusive India Conclave was done with collaboration with his organization, Naturals. And he was one among the guests who has inaugurated this Inclusive India Conclave during the first year. So thank you for coming, sir, and we feel privileged to have you also. And we have Mr. Deepak Nathan, who is the founder of December 3 movement. And he actually has been a big pioneer, a big activist in terms of diversity and inclusion for the differently abled people. And Deepak Nathan and me, both of us know each other for a while. And yes, disability activism and all these he's been doing for many years now by now. And the next on stage would be Dr. Karthikeyan. Again, sir also has consented immediately when I approached him to give a medical perspective to what it is when it comes to COVID and disability. So thank you for coming, sir. And next on stage would be Ms. Kavita Dhanraj. who is a psychologist, and she will be throwing us viewpoints on the psychological perspective. Yet today she is she's got an unavoidable commitment, so she's not restricted herself. She has given us a video record herself, so which would be we'll be playing on screen. So thank you, speakers. We are all set to listen to you, and we have another special guest, Mr. Ashok Kumar Balakrishnan. Ashok Kumar Balakrishnan, who is the actor, choreographer, and the founder of Freakathon, and more importantly, he's been the Goodwill Ambassador of Headway Foundation, a big support to all of us here in Headway, and forward to hear from you again. And we have Mr. Ashok Selvan, he is going to come here, and oh my Kadavale fame, so he is going to be here. Amidst his presence, we'll have a discussion and awards and all that. So we also have a sign interpreter who is interpreting here. Who is interpreting here for all our hearing and speech impaired people. So thanks to Matilda, the sign interpreter from Vishesh, and we have a good bunch of participants here inside the Zoom and externally, where we are live streaming our IICon 2020 in our Facebook page, the Headway Foundation, where you can go like and view our IICon 2020. And, we have our supporters. Thank you wholeheartedly to them. GRT Hotels and Resorts. We've been doing the last 2 years IICon has been done there, by hospitality partnering with them. Thank you, GRT. And we have Khadai Vidi, a 50,000 plus women entrepreneurship brand of various products. And we have Vishesh, the employment agency for differently abled people. We have Posse Abilities by Mr. Iftikhar Zia, who runs a page on showcasing all the differently abled people across the world. And we have Freakathon, our Goodwill Ambassadors brand. We thank wholeheartedly on being with us all the time. Thank you. And what can you expect next 3.5 hours? Yes, we will have the experts talking about COVID and disability. We have a big project launch, from the Headway family. We have a short film launch by a visually impaired person, and we have the Inclusivity Champion Awards 2020 by the Headway Foundation. So we are all set here to give you an awesome 3.5 hours. So we are trying to close it by 1:30. If at all we are trying to, we are getting a little delayed also. Please hold on for us, because there is a lot of emotions that we are trying to spread across. So on that note, if it is getting delayed, get one more cup of chai and snack and enjoy and have good learning through IICon 2020. And lastly, we've been trying to give you a wholesome package of IICon 2020 with all the digital revolution that's happening here. So pulling in all the differently abled people also to get them into the webinar and all that. So technology, we've been using it widely for our differently abled people. And if at all, there are a lot of credits. The credits goes to my Headway team, and any flaw that you find out, I will take it. And the fault line I had credits team. And lastly, let's have the mode of communication in English, more of English and little Tamil also, because we have heterogeneous participants here. So looking forward for all of you to have a blast in the IICon 2020 by the Headway Foundation. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Raghavi, for the wonderful welcome and brief about IICon 2020. IICon 2020 is always unique, that you can see from the time it was born. First year, second year, and this is the third year. In the virtual conference, நிறைய பேருக்கு புதுசா இருக்கும். எங்களுக்கே புதுசா தான் இருக்கு. ஆனா இதுல நிறைய வித்தியாசங்கள் இருக்கு. I call upon Miss Divya Headwayan to take us for the next session. அப்படி என்னங்க இருக்கு, கொஞ்சம் பொறுத்திருந்து பாருங்களேன். Over to you, Miss Divya.
Thank you, Dr. Uma Sharma Headway.